Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves all things natural and nourishing for your skin and hair, then you're going to want to stick around. Today, we're exploring the power of castor oil in its purest form, Cacia Organic Castor Skincare Oil. Let's break down this product and see if it really delivers on the hydration promises it makes. Cacia Organic Castor Skincare Oil is a USDA-certified organic castor oil, cold-pressed and unrefined for maximum purity. It's not just about being organic, though. This oil is all about hydration. Its rich, thick texture promises to deeply moisturize both skin and hair, offering that soft, supple feel we all crave. The brand is also known for its integrity, being part of a member-owned co-op that values people and the planet above profits. So, let's dive into the real-world experience. First, when you apply it to the skin, you'll immediately feel that luxurious thickness. It's one of those oils that takes a little time to fully absorb, but it leaves the skin feeling so soft and smooth. If you've got dry patches or rough areas, you'll notice those soften with just a few uses. I've been using it on my elbows, cuticles, and dry spots, and it has been a total game changer. Now let's talk about its hair benefits. I've used it as a scalp massage oil and left it on for a few hours before washing my hair. After rinsing, my scalp felt calm and my hair looks shinier and more hydrated, though it's a bit heavier compared to lighter oils. So if you have fine or thin hair, you might want to use it sparingly or leave it on overnight to avoid weighing it down too much. For those of you who enjoy customizing your beauty routine, this oil works great as a base for DIY treatments. It blends seamlessly with essential oils to create personalized body oils or even deep conditioning treatments. It's super versatile in that sense, making it a great option for beauty lovers who like to mix and match their skincare. As for its performance, the texture and richness of this oil are a big plus, especially for those with dry skin or hair. The downside, however, is that it can feel a little too thick for those with oily skin or hair types, so you might need to use it more sparingly. Also, I noticed it can take a little longer to absorb, which could be a con for some people looking for quick, no-fuss hydration. When it comes to value, Cacia Organic Castor Skincare Oil is priced reasonably for an organic, cold-pressed product of this quality. You're getting a lot of product for the price, especially since a little goes a long way. Given its multi-purpose uses, I'd say it's worth the investment, especially if you're into natural beauty or DIY beauty routines. There are alternatives out there, but many will fall short in terms of the purity and organic certification of this product. Some cheaper castor oils might not be cold-pressed or could have added chemicals, which means you're not getting the same level of nourishment. If you're on a budget, you might find other options, but they may not offer the same purity or results. The packaging is simple, but the quality is solid, and the bottle makes it easy to dispense the right amount. I haven't noticed any issues with the longevity of the product either, and it has a fairly long shelf life thanks to its cold-pressed nature. Cacia also stands out in the customer service department. While I haven't needed to contact them directly, their reputation for quality and transparency speaks for itself, and they are well regarded in the essential oils community. Now, to sum it up, Cacia Organic Castor Skincare Oil is an excellent option for anyone looking to hydrate dry skin and hair. Its organic, unrefined nature makes it stand out from other oils, and its multi-use potential adds real value. However, it might not be the best choice for those with oily skin or hair, as the thick texture can feel heavy. If you're someone who loves experimenting with natural beauty products or wants to incorporate a deeply hydrating oil into your routine, this product is worth considering. It's a great fit for dry, rough skin, or those looking for a nourishing treatment for their hair. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.